Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders YouTube channel, your trusted source for expert home remodeling and construction advice. We are Oceanfront Builders, specialists in creating stunning, functional living spaces that capture the essence of coastal living. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home remodeling in Newport Beach, one of Southern California's most prestigious and picturesque coastal cities. Newport Beach is renowned for its waterfront homes, luxurious lifestyle, and a strong commitment to preserving its unique character. Remodeling in this area isn't just about upgrading your home, it's about designing a space that enhances your lifestyle while blending seamlessly with Newport Beach's iconic architecture and natural beauty. In this video, we'll guide you through every aspect of remodeling in Newport Beach, from navigating local permits and planning regulations to designing kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor spaces, and more. We'll cover it all. Whether you're updating a single room or undertaking a full home renovation, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to create your dream home. Every successful remodeling project starts with a strong foundation: planning. In Newport Beach, planning takes on added importance due to the city's specific regulations, environmental considerations, and proximity to the coastline. Here's how to get it right. Defining your vision. Before tackling the logistics, take time to envision your dream space. Ask yourself, what are the main goals of your remodel? Are you upgrading for modern functionality, increasing your home's value, or enhancing your view of the harbor? How do you want your remodeled space to feel? Are you aiming for a sleek, contemporary design or a classic coastal aesthetic? What are your priorities for the project? Kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor spaces, or an entirely reimagined layout? These answers will shape the design, materials, and scope of your project. Newport Beach permits and regulations. The city of Newport Beach has specific building codes and zoning requirements to protect its character and environment. Key considerations include height restrictions. To preserve ocean and harbor views, the city enforces strict height limits for homes. If you're planning a second story or rooftop deck, your design must comply with these rules. Setback requirements. These dictate how far your home must be from property lines, streets, and neighboring structures. Coastal Development Permits, CDPs. If your property is located in the coastal zone, you may need a CDP from the California Coastal Commission. This process ensures that your remodel aligns with coastal conservation goals. Historic properties. Homes in Newport Beach's historic districts may have additional guidelines to preserve their architectural integrity. Environmental considerations. Projects near the harbor or wetlands may require additional reviews to address water quality, erosion, and habitat protection. The permitting process. Obtaining permits in Newport Beach involves several steps, including submitting detailed architectural plans that meet city standards, engaging with city officials and addressing any zoning or environmental concerns, ensuring that your plans align with neighborhood and community guidelines. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience navigating Newport Beach's permitting process, ensuring your project stays compliant and on schedule. Budgeting and timelines. Remodeling in Newport Beach often involves premium materials and skilled craftsmanship. It's essential to set a realistic budget that includes contingencies for unexpected costs. Plan for potential permitting delays, especially for projects requiring Coastal Commission approval. Kitchens are the heart of every home, and in Newport Beach, they're a showcase for both style and functionality. A well-designed kitchen not only enhances your daily life but also adds significant value to your property. Designing for open-concept living. Newport Beach homes often embrace open-concept layouts where the kitchen flows seamlessly into dining and living areas. This design maximizes natural light and creates a welcoming atmosphere for entertaining. For homes with waterfront views, consider orienting your kitchen to take full advantage of the scenery. Coastal-friendly materials. The coastal environment in Newport Beach calls for durable, moisture-resistant materials. Countertops, quartz, and natural stone are both stylish and durable, offering resistance to stains and scratches. Cabinetry, marine-grade wood, or high-pressure laminates withstand humidity and salt air. Flooring engineered hardwood or luxury vinyl plank provides the beauty of natural wood with added durability. Custom storage and smart features. Efficient storage solutions keep your kitchen organized and functional. Pull-out shelves. Perfect for maximizing cabinet space. Built-in pantries. Store all your essentials in one convenient location. Smart appliances. Incorporate Wi-Fi-enabled refrigerators, ovens, and lighting for a connected modern kitchen. Lighting for function and ambiance. Layered lighting enhances the beauty and usability of your kitchen. Task lighting. Under-cabinet LEDs provide focused illumination for cooking. Accent lighting, pendant lights over the island add a stylish focal point. Ambient lighting dimmable ceiling lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Bathrooms in Newport Beach homes go beyond functionality. They're personal retreats where luxury and comfort come together. Spa-inspired features. Create a sanctuary with spa-like features including freestanding tubs, positioned near windows to enjoy views while relaxing, walk-in showers, frameless glass enclosures with rain shower heads or body jets for a modern open feel, heated floors, radiant heating under tile or stone adds comfort and luxury, coastal-ready materials. Choose materials that withstand moisture while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Flooring, porcelain or ceramic tiles offer excellent durability and water resistance. Vanities. Solid wood or marine-grade finishes ensure longevity in humid conditions. Countertops, quartz and solid surfaces are both low maintenance and stylish. Lighting and ventilation. Lighting and ventilation are key to creating a comfortable bathroom. Natural light. Skylights or large windows bring in sunlight while maintaining privacy. Task lighting. Sconces on either side of mirrors reduce shadows. Ventilation systems. Proper airflow prevents mold and mildew, especially in coastal areas. In Newport Beach, outdoor living spaces are an essential part of the home. With its year-round sunshine and breathtaking views, your outdoor areas can become as functional and beautiful as your interiors. One of the hallmarks of Newport Beach homes is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding or folding glass doors blur the boundaries, creating a continuous flow perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Transform your outdoor space with these luxurious features. Pergolas and gazebos provide shade and structure while adding an architectural element to your yard. Consider incorporating retractable canopies or climbing plants for added charm. Outdoor kitchens include built-in grills, sinks, refrigerators and storage for a fully equipped cooking and dining experience. Fire pits and fireplaces are must-haves for cozy evenings and year-round gatherings. Poolside cabanas create a resort-like atmosphere with comfortable seating, ceiling fans and lighting. In Newport Beach, sustainable landscaping not only enhances beauty, but also aligns with the city's environmental values. Use native plants, drought-resistant greenery, and efficient irrigation systems to reduce water usage. Permeable hardscaping materials can also help manage runoff while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Outdoor lighting transforms your space into a welcoming retreat after dark. Combine pathway lights, string lights, and recessed uplighting to highlight key features and create ambiance. Add outdoor heaters or fans to make the space comfortable year-round. A whole home remodel in Newport Beach offers the chance to reimagine your space entirely. Whether you're modernizing an older property, expanding for a growing family, or maximizing your oceanfront views, this comprehensive approach ensures every detail aligns with your vision. Older homes in Newport Beach often feature compartmentalized layouts that don't suit today's preferences. A whole home remodel allows for open-concept living, integrating the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one cohesive space for better flow and natural light. Maximizing views by redesigning window placements and adding glass doors to frame stunning ocean or harbor views. Adding functional rooms like home offices, guest suites, or expanded master bedrooms tailored to your lifestyle. A whole home remodel ensures consistency in design. Materials and finishes like matching flooring, cabinetry, and paint colors across rooms create a unified aesthetic. Lighting systems should plan layered lighting that seamlessly transitions between spaces, blending natural light with artificial fixtures. Malibu homes often embrace modern technology, include smart systems for lighting, automating indoor and outdoor lights with voice commands or smartphone apps. Climate control with smart thermostats helps maintain comfort while reducing energy usage. Security systems with cameras, motion sensors, and remote monitoring enhance peace of mind. The exterior of your home sets the tone for what's inside. Consider updates like new facades with wood or stone accents, updated windows and doors that match the home's overall aesthetic, and redesign driveways or pathways with modern hardscaping. In Newport Beach, Garages are often more than just places to park your car. They're opportunities to expand functionality and organization while maintaining style. Transform your garage into a versatile space that suits your needs. Home gym. Install rubber flooring, mirrors, and fitness equipment for a private workout area. Workshop. Add a sturdy workbench, wall-mounted tool storage, and task lighting for hobbies or projects. Guest or flex space. Insulate and finish the garage with climate control, flooring, and windows to create a guest suite or studio. Efficient storage is key for maintaining a clean, organized garage. Overhead racks. Use ceiling space for storing seasonal items or sports equipment. Wall systems. Pegboards, hooks, and slat walls keep tools and bikes easily accessible. Built-in cabinets. Conceal clutter while creating a polished, cohesive look. Garage flooring and lighting can elevate the space from utilitarian to luxurious. Epoxy floors durable and easy to clean with a polished, professional finish. Interlocking tiles, modular and customizable, perfect for creating unique designs. LED lighting, bright, energy-efficient fixtures improve visibility for workspaces. Incorporate eco-friendly features to align with Newport Beach's environmental values. Solar panels. Install panels on your garage roof to power lighting or an EV charging station. Insulation. Properly insulate walls and doors to reduce energy consumption. Recycled materials. Use sustainable flooring and cabinetry options. In Newport Beach, where luxury meets functionality, flex spaces are becoming an integral part of home design. These adaptable rooms can be transformed to meet the changing needs of your household, making them perfect for modern living. With more people working remotely, a dedicated home office is essential. Newport Beach's sunny climate and scenic views provide the perfect backdrop for a productive, stylish workspace. Key features include ergonomic furniture. Invest in a high-quality desk and chair to support long hours of work. Smart storage built-in cabinets, shelves, and drawers keep the space organized and free of clutter. Natural light. Place your desk near a window to enjoy ample sunlight and inspiring views. Tech integration. Incorporate cable management solutions, USB charging ports, and hidden power strips for a seamless professional setup. Flex spaces are ideal for maximizing the usability of your home. Common uses include guest room hybrids. Add a Murphy bed or a pull-out sofa to create a guest room that can double as a lounge or home gym. Playrooms. Create a safe and fun area for children with soft flooring, colorful storage, and playful decor. Creative studios. Turn your flex space into an art studio, music room, or crafting area with durable work surfaces and plenty of storage for supplies. Efficient storage is key to making flex spaces functional and versatile. Hidden compartments, benches, and ottomans with built-in storage keep items out of sight but easily accessible. Modular furniture. Pieces that can be reconfigured or folded away allow the space to adapt to different uses. Vertical storage. Maximize wall space with shelving, pegboards, or mounted racks. Flex spaces in Newport Beach homes often reflect the coastal style of the area. Use light, neutral tones, natural materials, and soft textures to create a calming, inviting environment. Add personal touches like artwork, woven rugs, or coastal-themed decor for character. In Newport Beach, outdoor structures and additions aren't just optional, they're essential for embracing the coastal lifestyle. From guest houses to pergolas, these features enhance both functionality and value. Accessory dwelling units, ADUs, are increasingly popular in Newport Beach for their versatility and practicality. They can serve as guest houses. Offer your visitors privacy and comfort with fully equipped spaces, including bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchenettes. Rental units. Generate additional income by renting the space to long-term tenants or short-term vacationers. Studios or offices. Use the ADU as a quiet retreat for work, art, or hobbies. Key considerations for creating a successful ADU include space optimization, open layouts, and multifunctional furniture make smaller spaces feel expansive. Energy efficiency. Incorporate sustainable materials, energy-efficient windows, and solar panels. Seamless integration. Match the design of the ADU to your main home for a cohesive aesthetic. Outdoor structures like pergolas, gazebos, and cabanas are ideal for creating shaded, comfortable spaces. Pergolas perfect for patios and walkways. They provide partial shade and can support climbing plants for added greenery. Gazebos, fully covered structures that offer year-round protection from the elements, ideal for entertaining or relaxing. Cabanas, luxurious poolside shelters with comfortable seating, fans, and lighting create a resort-like experience. An outdoor kitchen adds convenience and style to your backyard. Built-in appliances. Include grills, pizza ovens, and refrigerators for easy meal prep. Countertops. Use durable materials like granite or concrete that withstand weather conditions. Dining spaces. Add bar height counters or dining tables for al fresco meals with family and friends. Combine functionality with aesthetics by incorporating native plants. Reduce water usage while maintaining a lush, inviting yard. Smart irrigation systems. Use technology to monitor and optimize watering schedules. Lighting, pathway lights, uplighting, and string lights create ambiance and extend the usability of your outdoor spaces into the evening. Remodeling your Newport Beach home is more than just a project. It's a chance to elevate your lifestyle and create a space that reflects your vision. From navigating local regulations to designing stunning interiors and outdoor areas, every step of the process is an opportunity to make your home truly your own. Successful remodeling starts with careful planning and compliance with Newport Beach's unique regulations. Focus on high-quality materials and smart design to create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. Outdoor structures and flex spaces add versatility, value, and luxury to your home. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in turning your remodeling dreams into reality. With years of experience in Newport Beach, we understand the unique challenges and opportunities of working in this iconic coastal city. From initial planning to the final finishing touches, we'll be with you every step of the way. If you're ready to begin your remodeling journey, visit us at oceanfront.builders or call 888-368-586 to schedule a consultation. Let's create the Newport Beach home you've always envisioned.